Let's look into the self-study tricks for clearing the Nvidia Certified Associate Generative AI LLM certification. So all the details about the examination is provided in the official documentation page of Nvidia. Now we are here in this video to look into some of the key tricks that you have to follow in order to clear the examination in an easier manner. So do note, if you follow this step, I'm confident that you will be clearing this examination without any issues. So first and foremost, we have to focus on the NVIDIA products and the definitions. So let me just take you through the page where you can learn all these things. So this is the official documentation page. So if you come over here in this official documentation page, there's a page that talks about the trustworthy AI. I would recommend you to clicking on this link. And here, this will take you to the NVIDIA page. So when I say NVIDIA products and services, click on, just hover your mouse on the solution, learn about what are these things, like what is NVIDIA AI platform, what is AI inference, what is AI workflow, conversational AI, generative AI, learn about the solutions from NVIDIA, learn about the software offerings from NVIDIA, which includes Triton Server, AI workflow, Avatar Tokyo. In the data science, we've got Rapids, Apache Spark, AI Workbench, Nemo Framework, QOpt, Riva. So as you can clearly see, there are multiple software services that are also available from NVIDIA. And not just that, there are some products as well. So just click on each and every link. You don't have to master anything. Just go over there and understand what it means. Let me just show you an example. Suppose if you are learning this Triton, just understand what is this Triton inference server. Read this first paragraph and understand what exactly is going to help you. So this Triton server is a inference server. It is part of this NVIDIA AI platform. You might have already learned about this AI platform by clicking on the other hyperlinks. So since you know the definition, you'll be able to link up and understand how it will be helpful. The question that you would be getting in the examination is more or less like a definition. So they will be asking you saying as which of these is an inference server for LLMs. So you'll be able to answer it in an easier manner. And like such, you'll be getting close to 10 questions. So if you just click on these various hyperlinks, just understand what it would mean. So you will be having and you will be scoring 20% of questions with just 1 hour of preparation. That's what you have to focus on. And the other important research paper is the famous attention is all you need. So just look out for the Google search like attention is all you need. So it is basically the transformer architecture. Click on this research paper, go through this research paper, and you can easily gauge 5 questions. Most of the questions will be around positional encoding, mass multi-head attention, what is the role of this recurrent connection, batch normalization layer. So it's all around that research paper, and you'll be easily able to score 5 questions. Then the important one, this I'm going to mention multiple times as well in my other sessions. So trustworthy AI. So this looks like a very simple one, but I highly recommend you to go through this trustworthy AI page, because one of the challenges that we see in real time is also the trustworthiness of the large language models, and the examination also talks about the trustworthiness of the AI. So learn about this trustworthy AI from the perspective of large language model. Okay, and if you learn that page and go through the various hyperlinks in this product page of trustworthy AI from NVIDIA, you'll be easily able to score 5 questions. How cool is that? So by completing the trustworthy AI, attention all you need, and the NVIDIA products, so you have secured 20 questions, which is 20 out of 50, which is 40% for your examination, and you will be able to answer it confidently, and the preparation is very simple. Then this is about the LLM training challenges and the benefit. So when I say LLM training, you need to have the basic idea about what are these large language models and how you can use your large language model for your own application, which involves aligning for your own task, and what are the key benefits that you would get to enjoy, and how these LLMs have been trained. So there are good documentations that are available from this NVIDIA itself. So there's one that's called as Generative AI Explained. So just go through this 2 hours of course. So that would help you to understand what are these generative AI and what exactly is this large language model. And there's also a page as well. You can just search for large language model customization. You'll also get an official blog post that would help you to understand this important concept of LLM training, the challenges and the benefit. And from the concept of RAG, you can expect at the max 2 questions. So most of the learners that I have met with, so they have got around 2 questions in this topic of RAG, which is basically retrieval based LLM. So just understand what are these RAGs. There are some self-paced courses as well that are available from Nvidia. You can check out those links. So I would recommend just understand what are these RAG agents and how it works. That is more than enough for your certificate preparation. Then the machine learning and the deep learning basics. So you can expect around 5 to 10 questions. So there's no fixed number. So all these are just, I would say, a guess, like depending on the experience that I've got and I've worked with various learners. So machine learning and deep learning basics. So importantly, focus on the various activation functions, types of neural network, and you'll also have to have an understanding about the recurrent neural network and the LSTM, because those are the neural network which we were working earlier. Along with that, you should be having the knowledge about the evaluation metrics of large language models as well as the NLP task. So if you have those basic idea, you'll be able to answer another 5 to 10 questions in a simple way. And the next one is very important. That's NVIDIA Rapids library. The NVIDIA Rapids library, you can easily score 5 questions. So you'll be getting the questions like which of these libraries will help us to apply the machine learning on GPU, that is QML, and which of these framework will help us to load the data and work and perform the data pre-processing on GPU, that is QDF. So just understand those various library names and what is its role, and you will be able to answer close to 5 questions. And lastly, the prompt engineering and the types of fine tuning. So there's no specific number. So I've just mentioned as 5 to 7 based on the interactions that I had with various learners. So you can expect around 5 to 7. So these are the numbers that I have collected by interacting with various of my learners. And these are the numbers that I came up with. So do follow this guide, keep it as a reference. And let me remind you again, the first two are very important. I'll say first three, these are very important. That would help you to score easily 40% of the answers, and that too in an easier manner. Okay, guys, so I wish you all the very best. Now, if you're someone who, once the preparation is done and you want to understand where you would stand in your preparation, do check out the course from Manifold AI Learning. I had an opportunity to create the practice questions that would help you to gain the confidence for appearing in the examination. If you're new to generative AI and don't know how to start in your learning journey, do check out the course. I've mentioned the links in the description. More than 2,000 learners have enrolled, and right now more than 1,000 learners have already been certified from these courses, and I want you to get certified. If you've got any question, let me know in the comment section, and I wish you all the very best, guys.